Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 men's hair system. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected a QHP Men Toupee Human Hair Replacement Systems. Specifications. Brand name, QHP. Longest hair proportion, greater than equals 60%. Knot, double knot. Bulk buy, 1 pieces/lot. Hair material, Indian hair. Toupee base, lace and poo. Model number, Q6. Size, 6x8 7x9 8x10. Hair grade, Remy hair. Toupee texture, 30 mm. Toupee curvature, natural straight or 30 mm. Toupee density, 120% 130%. Item number 2 is super thin skin toupee for men human hair. Specifications. Brand name, Eversilky. Longest hair proportion, greater than equals 60%. Lifespan, 3 months. Knot, single knot. Hair material, Indian hair. Toupee base, poo. Model number, 080901. Size, 8x10. Hair grade, Remy hair. Toupee texture, 30 mm. Durable time, about 3 months. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Human Hair Mono Base Toupee Man Weave Gray. Specifications. Brand name, Manned Hair World. Material, virgin human hair. Texture, straight. Cap size, average size. Toupee name, 1B60, 1B50, 1B40, 1B80, 1B90. Toupee type, Men Toupee. Lace size, 8x10 inch. Human hair type, human hair plus Kanekalon fiber. Made method, hand tied. Hair length, 6 inch. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.